Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Nashville, Tennessee. We are driving along Church Street, one of the city's oldest and most historically significant streets. Church Street runs through the heart of downtown, connecting the central business district with cultural and residential areas. Its name comes from the many churches that were built along the street in the early 1800s, which served as community centers for settlers and early residents. During the 19th century, Church Street became a hub for commerce and social life, lined with shops, offices, and public buildings alongside the churches. Many of the buildings still standing today were constructed in the late 1800s and early 1900s, featuring classic brick and stone architecture. Today, Church Street blends historic architecture with modern businesses, restaurants, and offices. Driving along this street gives viewers a sense of Nashville's downtown life, where historic buildings sit next to contemporary structures. The mix of old and new along Church Street provides a snapshot of the city's evolution over nearly 2 centuries. Nashville itself was founded in 1779 along the banks of the Cumberland River. Named after Revolutionary War General Francis Nash, the settlement quickly grew because of its strategic river location and fertile surrounding land. By the early 1800s, Nashville had become an important center for commerce, education, and government in the region. In the 20th century, Nashville gained worldwide recognition as the center of country music, especially after the launch of the Grand Ole Opry in 1925. Radio broadcasts carried Nashville's music across the nation, helping shape American popular culture. Over the decades, the city expanded beyond music into healthcare, education, technology, and tourism, becoming one of the fastest-growing metropolitan areas in the United States. Today, Nashville is known for its vibrant downtown, historic neighborhoods, and creative energy. Thanks for watching!